a direct replacement to look retro and at the same time give us bright light. So these are 5,700 lumens. They have the Holley Morimoto lamp here, and it's a plug and play, and this should be awesome. Quite a good build quality. I've got two of them, obviously one for each side. Cost me $400 for the pair, but it's going to make nighttime driving a lot better. So I'm going to install these right now, and it should be a simple case of take this frame out and that frame out and change the light bulb. There we go. But before I do that, let me show you what they look like with the lights on. I hope these doesn't pop down. Okay, right, I'm going to switch the headlights on and you can see what they look like. I thought it could. Get the ignition on. Okay, so hopefully, pretty dim. The battery's flat, but let me just put some power on it. You see what it means. So, as you can see, it's quite a yellow light, and hopefully you can see that. Two yellow lights, and when I put this in, you'll probably see the difference. Let's get on and do that. I don't think I needed to take the frame out even. Wow. Well, I should have left the frame in. Interesting. Okay, so let me put that back in. Exciting. Well, I think so anyway. Quick mod. All of you professionals out there thinking, what an idiot. So the great thing about this is plug straight into there. So, the big moment. You're probably going to see this before I do. Pretty sure you are anyway. There we go. Don't know if you can see this. I'm going to try and take it a bit closer. So this is yellow light. See that white bright light? Yellow light. How do I do this? I'm going to take it back a bit. Hope you can see the difference. It's predominantly white. I can see the difference. The second light, it's going to take me 30 seconds to install. Well, actually, let me put this back on. I'm going to do something to that and make that black. But, just to show you how quick this is, watch me on this one, just in case you can't see. I'm going to see. This one's going to be easy. So little sticker here. Literally 3 screws. Wasted my time on that one. 1. I am so going night driving tonight. 2. 3. Take the ring off. This comes out. Out. That's how quick this upgrade is. I made a hash of it the first time. It's going to take me longer to get this bulb out of the box, lamp out of the box. This plugs straight into the old one, into the existing OEM plug. It's all good. Pretty sure. Looks like the ticket. Helps have magnetic screwdriver, but one's in place. Three screws and the job's done. I waited 3 months for these lights because they're almost made to order, because they have to wait for the bulbs, and Monimoto bulbs. What are they? Can't remember what bulbs they are. They're really cool bulbs anyway. Anyway. Three screws. That's it. That's how quick this job is. I think they're well worth of $400. Even though I had to wait for them. Let's see what they look like. Like I said, you're going to see it before me. Here we go. Whoa, look at that. That is like super cool. I thought I'd do one final test for this video, which was a nighttime test, and we'll see what it looks like on the road. So let's see where we go. So here we are, I'm in the car, dark as hell, and there we go. The lights have just come on, and that is pretty cool. So I'm going to take it down the road and see if we can actually make this thing, see what it looks like on the main road. So it's already, you know, amazing. There we go. Wow, it's just totally cool. I mean, I'm doing this without my actual I gotta say, the light visibility is really cool. I'm gonna put it out the window to see if you can see that. Let me just see if I can get it in. It's a bit of an awkward test from inside the car, so I'm going to stick it outside. I'm going to get out the window. See if you can see the road. I'm going to go up the road. And then full beams. Amazing. That is just total night and day. You can absolutely drive this car long distance. Full high beams, low beams. 944 upgraded headlights, the Holley lights, and 5,700 lumens each. Nighttime driving is going to be amazing. Speak to you soon.